Hello everyone, I'm Moitra from Mehta Steels, one of the leading steel trading companies in India. We offer a wide range of products like mild steel plates, channels, angles, rails, beams and more. We have exported mild steel products to various countries. In this channel, I'll show you how we operate, what are the opportunities and challenges in the steel industry and how we provide the best solutions to our customers. I'll also give some tips and tricks to you all on how to use steel products effectively. So if you want to learn more about mild steel products, Mehta Steels and me, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned with us.